Hi friends, and welcome back to our pronunciation reference course with me, Sophie, a qualified TEFL tutor. I'm here to help you learn all of your 44 English sounds. Today, we're going to be learning another vowel. So far, you've been doing amazing, and today I'm sure you'll be doing equally as well. Today, we're going to be learning the vowel or the sound oo. That sound again? Oo. Now the sound oo can be found in words like to, you, and new. Those words again? To, you, and new. Now your turn. Perfect! Now the sound oo is voiced and it's a close back rounded vowel. Close back rounded, so the close back means that we put the tongue high up at the back of the mouth. So, oo, the back of the tongue goes up and high. The rounded refers to the lips, so instead of it being like the smile in other vowels, we put them like the kissing motion. Oo, oo, oo. To, you, new. Now your turn. Perfect! So can you think of any others? There aren't really any words that have the oo sound at the beginning. Words like student and group have the oo sound in the middle. Words to, you and new have the oo sound at the end. Keep on practicing, and don't forget, with your checked and patented Lingwizer app, you'll be that English pro in no time. You've been doing fantastic, and I think you're going to crack this really soon. Brilliant. I'll see you next time. Bye.